Alright guys, so previously already made a project that show a really basic alerts. So yeah, let's continue and make some complex. So we got like more options for the alert, and yeah, let's get to it. And I just switch on the auto completion in the latest Xcode. So yeah, so it will be fun. It will be fun. Let's get started. So show alert true, and alerts you can change it. And here, remember, we can add a lot of options. So we can add a button, okay, and then we can say alert, okay, and then you can say something like this. Yeah, you can okay and execute or something, okay, print. You can say print press okay, something like that. So basically this is just a batch of code that will be executed when you are click something. So we can you can add a role to the button. So for example, like undo, something like that, and it have a specific role, and that role is not like a normal role, but rather like destructive. A role indicate a destructive button. So for example, you want to delete something, you want like destroy some of the information. So it will like it's a risky thing. So you need to have a role, and essentially just to change the style of the button. So like deleting or undoing the process, undo the say texting, something like that, okay. And then you can have a button that have a say cancel, and this will have a row of dots. I believe we get a cancel here. Okay, that's good. And then you can print like a cancel. Okay, really simple one. And let's run this. You can see that's just basically some that changes in style. Doesn't really matter that much, but I just want to show you. Okay, let me just pause it here because I believe we will like spend a little bit of time. Okay, so it's here, trigger alert, click, and we'll go button, okay, and it will just press okay. You will execute the code inside here, and undo, right? Press undo the texting, right? Click and cancel, Really simple one, right? And remember, the cancel got like a bolded text. The undo things is destructive, so it's dangerous. Got like a red one, and okay, just normal, really slim thing. Okay, yeah, that'll be all. Thanks.